Behind the iconic look of this villain from the 80s is a quiet man in his 70s who runs this tailoring shop in Mumbai. So impressed was Amrish Puri with the workmanship that he instantly said, "Mogambo khush hua," his signature dialogue from the film Mr. India. Madhav Agasti has dressed up stars as diverse as Gulshan Grover, Sunil Dutt, Devanand, to Danny Denzongpa and Mahmood, expanding his craft to politicians as well. His own story started in Nagpur, where his father taught him the craft. His journey took him to Kolkata, where he worked as a cutter. It was then in Moradabad that he sharpened his skills, learning how to stitch sherwanis. And then in Mao, where he mastered making military uniforms with precision. His Bombay journey began with a chance meeting with a tailoring master outside a cinema hall. But his Bollywood break came when his skill set caught actor Danny Denzongpa's eye in the film Dhun. 2 years later, he started a small shop in Dadar at Sunil Dutt's suggestion, and word spread quickly. Agasti became Bollywood's tailor, and sometimes Hollywood's. He designed the look for Mola Ram in Spielberg's Indiana Jones.
ये गेटअप मैंने ताज में नीचे जाके सब चीज़ें खरीदी और उनको करके ये स्कल भी लेके आए थे हम, तो ये सब लेके इनका गेटअप मैंने बनाया था.
The passing years brought with them a shift. As movie hall corridors swarmed with images of Agasti's creations, soon the corridors of power had to yield. One of Agasti's biggest clients was Shiv Sena founder Barasaheb Thackeray. He envisioned the iconic white-on-white combination on Thackeray. Barasaheb had nicknamed him Raj Shimpi, or politician's tailor.
81-82 में उनको मैं मिला. मुझे जब मैं गया तो मेरे साथ शिरीष गुप्ते और मोहन वाघ जी थी. उन्होंने उनसे मिलवाया मुझे और उन्होंने इतना ही बोला कि मैं जब भाषण दूँ तो मेरे पैर दिखवा दीजिए. तो मैंने उनकी में मोटा कपड़ा धुल के उनका ड्रेस बनाना शुरू किया.
His skills soon crossed party lines. From chief ministers like Vilasrao Deshmukh, Sharad Pawar, Farooq Abdullah, leaders like Pramod Mahajan and L.K. Advani, he has dressed big names in politics.
पवार साहब सिर्फ व्हाइट कपड़ा पहनते थे, व्हाइट पैंट व्हाइट शर्ट. कुछ दिनों के बाद मैंने भाभी थी और रिक्वेस्ट किया इनको फुल शर्ट दिए जाएगा. उन्होंने 1 मिनट में हाथ लगा फुल शर्ट. अभी भी फुल शर्ट पहनेंगे.
President Pranab Mukherjee wore a suit stitched by him during his oath-taking ceremony. As he now prepares for his upcoming memoir, Stitching Stardom, measuring tape still firmly in hand, he still has one box left to tick.
मोदी जी के बगैर मेरा प्रवास अधूरा है. मैं उसको कंप्लीट करना चाहता हूँ.